Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable auto-downloading videos using mobile data on WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to automatically download video files while using your cellular data, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you never miss out on important video content again. Let's begin with opening the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to the app's settings. Tap on these dots and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, you'll find yourself in the main settings area. Scroll down until you spot the Storage and Data option. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Give it a tap to proceed. In the Storage and Data menu, you'll see various options for managing your WhatsApp data usage. What we're looking for is the When Using Mobile Data setting. Tap on this to access the specific auto-download options for when you're using cellular data. Here's the crucial part. In the list of media types, find Videos and check the box next to it. This simple action tells WhatsApp that you want videos to be automatically downloaded even when you're not on Wi-Fi. Once you've checked the box, don't forget to tap OK to save your changes, and there you have it. You've successfully enabled auto-downloading for videos when using mobile data on WhatsApp. Now, whenever someone sends you a video while you're on the go, it'll download automatically, ready for you to watch at your convenience. Remember, this feature can consume a significant amount of data, so make sure you have a suitable data plan, or keep an eye on your usage. If you ever want to disable this feature, just follow the same steps and uncheck the Videos box. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your seamless video experience on WhatsApp, no matter where you are or what network you're using.